Hello class, Dr. Bans here. So let's look at these sequences, and then let's find their respective sequence, okay, by using the inverse Z transform approach, okay. So we have this x of z, okay, Z transform functions, and we're going to find their x of n, their respective sequences, using the long division or the power series method. Okay, so here what we can do is that if you look at the first one, let us deal with the first one before. So we are given x of z to be equals to z over what 2, okay, and then we have z to be what less than 1 over what 2. This is what we are given. Okay, now we have to convert this one into standard approach, into standard formula. Okay, to convert it into the standard formula, we have to divide it by the highest power of z that we have. So now it's going to be equals to z is going to be equals to here. If I divide it by the highest power, that means that I'm going to get what I'm going to get z over what x exponent 2. So because the highest power here is what x exponent 2. So now I'll divide through everything by x exponent 2. In that case here I'll have like this, because I'm dividing through by what exponent 2. Okay, and then here I'll have 2, and then here I'll have minus 3z exponent minus 1, and then here I'll have z exponent minus what 2. Okay, and then what is the ROC here? The ROC here is such that z is less than what 1 over 2. If z is less than 1 over 2, then what it means is that it is a anticausal sequence. Okay, so here is left-sided, okay, or anticausal what sequence. Okay, so it's a left-sided or anticausal what sequence. Okay, so that's how we have to deal with it. Okay, so now here we're going to have, if it's left-sided, then I'll start here with the lowest power I have here. The lowest power is what? Minus 2, z minus 2. So I'll start here, z minus what? 2. Minus 3, z minus what? 1. Okay, plus what? 2. Okay, plus 2. So basically, that is how I can what? Start here. And here will be what? Z exponent minus 1. And then I'll have my divisions in this way. Okay, so now, what number times this one will give me this one? Okay, so to know that number, that is very simple. All that I have to do is that I have to say that z exponent minus 1 over z exponent minus what? 2. Okay, what do I get? Okay, I'm going to get what? I'm going to get 1 over z, okay, 1 over z divided by what? 1 over what? Z squared, okay, which is equals to what? 1 over z times what? Z what? Squared, okay, which is equals to what? Here it will be equal to what? Z, okay, it will be equal to z. Okay, so that means that here my first thing I'm going to get here is what? It's going to be z. Okay, then z times this one, z times this one, what will it give me? It will give me z times this one, minus 2, 1. So it will be what? Z minus 1. This one times this one. Okay, here is what? 1. Okay, and then this one is what? This one is exponent what? Minus 1. Okay, minus 1. Okay, so basically what I'm going to get here is that minus 1 and 1 will cancel each other. Okay, and I'll get minus what? 3. Okay, then the next one, this one times this one, I'll get what? Plus 2 what? Z. Then Then I'll subtract. If I subtract, I'm going to get what? I'm going to get 3, because 0 minus 3 will give me 3. Okay, then how many times can this one go here? Okay, this one is simple. I just have to say that 3 over z exponent minus what? 2, which is equals to what? 3 divided by 1 over z squared, okay, which is equals to 3 times z what? Squared. Okay, so I'll get what? Plus 3z squared plus 3z squared. That's what I'll get. Okay, so that's simple. Okay, now this guy times, now here after getting that 3, what I can, sorry, after subtracting this one, what am I supposed to get? I had to subtract this place also. Okay, so this place, when I subtract, I'm going to get minus 2 what? Z. Okay, minus 2z. Alright, yeah, that is what I will get from there. So now this one times this one, okay, this one times this one, I'll get 3. This one times this one, I'll get minus 6. Minus 9. This time this, I'll get minus 9. Then the exponent. Here minus 1. And here is 2. So I'll get z. This one times this one, I'll get what? Plus 6. So z what? Squared. Now if I should subtract here, 2 minus 9, 7. 0 minus 6. So now, this one, what number multiplied by this one will give me this one? Or this one divided by this, what will I get? Okay, so I'll bring it. So say here, 7z divided by z exponent minus 2. What will I get? I'll get what? Right, it's 7z divided by z exponent minus 2. Okay, so what will I get? I'll get 7z, okay, times or divided by 1 over what? Z squared. And then to what? 7z times what? 7 exponent 2. So I'll get 7z what? Cube. Okay, so that means that here I'm supposed to write plus 7z what? Cube. Okay, plus 7z cube. Now this guy times this guy, what will I get? I'll get 7z. Okay, here is 7z cube. Okay, then this guy times this guy, what will I get? Minus 21. Minus 21. Okay, minus what? 21. And then here, what will I get? In terms of the exponent, I'll get squared. Okay, then this guy times this guy, what will I get? Okay, this guy times this guy, I'll get 14 plus 14. 14z what? Cube. Now let me subtract. So minus 6 minus minus 21. What will I get? I'll get 15. 15z what? Squared. So 0 minus 14. I'll get what? Negative 14 what? Z cube. Now, how many times this divided by this one? What will I get? I'll get 15z exponent what? 4. So here I'll get plus 15z exponent what? 4. Okay. If that is difficult for you, you just, I have 15z squared here. I'm going to divide it by z exponent minus 2. Or how many times can this one go into this one? Okay. So it means that 15z squared divided by z exponent minus 2. That will give me what? 15z squared divided by 1 over what? Z squared. So that means that 15z squared times what? Z what? Exponent 2. So 15z exponent what? 4. Okay. That's what I'll get. So that's what I have here. Okay. So now if I should multiply through, I'll get what? 15z what? Squared. And this one times this one, I'll get what? 45 minus 45 minus 45z exponent what? 3. This time I'll get what? Plus what? 30. plus 30z exponent what? 4. Now let me subtract. Here will give me 0. So now minus 14 minus minus 45. What will it give me? 31. 31z exponent what? Yes. And here plus what? 30z exponent what? 4. After getting 4, about 4, you can please stop, and then you can say that it's going to what? It's going to infinity. Okay? It's going to what? Infinity. Okay, so now basically I think our assignment is almost done. Okay, from what we have written is almost done. So now we can see that x of what? Z is actually equals to what? Z plus what? 3z squared, okay, plus what? 7z what? Cube plus what? 15z exponent what? 4 plus what? Up to what? Infinity. Okay, up to infinity. Now we want to know the what? The sequence. Okay, the sequence. So here it is what? X into what? N. X of n. Here we said as it's anticausal what? Sequence. So that means that it must start from what? 0. Okay, it must start from 0. So what are we going to actually have? Okay, that means that we're going to actually start from what? 0. So I'll here 0. My arrow will be here. And then 0, it will come to what? 1. It will come to what? So 1. It will come to what? 3. It will come to what? 7. Then it will come to what? 15. Then it will come to what? Up. It will go to what? Negative what? Infinity. So when we have this one, our work is what? Done with respect to this one. Okay? Alright. So we can go to the next one. So in the next one, okay, or let's see, we are given